Hello, hello. This is Linda Waterhouse. I am a LinkedIn strategist with Linda Waterhouse Consulting. And today's LinkedIn tip is how to give kudos. So let me share my screen. And here we go. So today, what I want to talk to you about is giving kudos. Now, kudos is fairly new. You might not have heard of it on LinkedIn. And what kudos does is give people recognition. There are a few different kinds of kudos that you can give, and I always recommend that people personalize them so that the activity that the person that you want to give kudos to is highlighted. So the first thing we want to do is go over to the profile for the person that we want to give kudos to. Now today I would like to give kudos to Gabby Johnson because she's done an amazing job finding and interviewing people on her FitFab and WellTube site. So I've navigated over to Gabby, and then I'm going to hit more, and then you will see the third one down is give kudos. Now, give kudos is kind of smart because every time you do this, the pictures are a little bit different. This has a bagel theme, so this is great. So they give you some ideas. Thank you, going above and beyond, inspirational leader. Let's see. I think that Gabby is making an impact. So I click on making an impact. I say next, and it gives you this template. So then I'm going to say, let's see, Gabby, thank you for finding such inspirational women to highlight on your FitFab and WellTube.com site. And then I'm going to add some hashtags. Now, usually with LinkedIn, we suggest to put 3 or 4 hashtags. So I will say, thank you. And we already have making an impact. And I'm going to say going above and beyond. And then I post. And Gabby will get a notification, just like I have notifications here. Gabby will get a notification, and then other people will see just how I'm appreciating Gabby. So I definitely encourage you to think about people who have gone above and beyond or you want to thank. Go over to their LinkedIn profile and give them kudos. This is your LinkedIn tip of the day. This is Linda Waterhouse. Please visit my website, lindawaterhouse.com, for free resources that can help you make an online impact with LinkedIn. Thank you.